Stephen Tedder from Atlanta, who says he's a 10-year Berkshire shareholder, writes in and he says, do you see Berkshire offering pandemic coverage in future insurance policies?
Well, the answer is we insure a lot of things. Sure. I don't. We had somebody come to us the other day wanting insurance involving a $10 billion protection on something very unusual. We're not going to make that deal in all probability. In fact, I would say it's dead. But we would have written pandemic insurance if people had come to us and offered us what we thought was the right price. We would have been wrong, probably, in doing it. But we have no reluctance to quote on very unusual things and very big limits. We're famous for it. We haven't done that much of it in certain periods because the prices aren't right. But if you want to come and insure almost anything, and we don't want you to insure against fire if you happen to be a known arsonist or something. But if you come to us with any unusual coverages, either in size or in the nature of what's covered, Berkshire is a very good place to stop. And so somebody wants to buy, they can dream up the coverage and they can tell us the price they'll pay, and we'll consider writing it. We wrote a lot of business after 9/11, for example, and there were really only a couple companies in the world that were willing to write the business. And Berkshire and AIG wrote a lot of business, and we thought we knew what we were doing, but we could have been surprised. I mean, there could have been some follow-on incidents from 9/11 that we wouldn't have known about. You don't know for sure the answer. That's why people are buying insurance. But we would be willing to write pandemic coverage at the right price.